Mexican quesadillas are a delicious and versatile dish that has gained popularity both in Mexico and around the world. These cheesy and flavorful creations are made by filling a tortilla with various ingredients and then grilling or pan-frying it until it becomes crispy and the cheese inside melts to perfection. Let's explore the wonderful world of Mexican quesadillas in more detail. The foundation of a quesadilla is the tortilla, which can be made from either corn or wheat flour. Corn tortillas are the most traditional and authentic choice for quesadillas in Mexico. They have a distinct flavor and provide a slightly chewy texture. Wheat flour tortillas, on the other hand, are more commonly used in northern Mexico and have a softer and more pliable texture. The filling options for quesadillas are virtually endless, allowing for endless creativity and personal preferences. One classic and popular choice is cheese. In Mexico, Oaxaca cheese, also known as quesillo, is commonly used for its melty and stretchy texture. Other common cheeses include Chihuahua cheese, Monterrey Jack, or even a combination of different cheeses. The cheese is typically shredded or thinly sliced and placed on one half of the tortilla. In addition to cheese, quesadillas can be filled with a wide array of ingredients to add flavor, texture, and variety. One popular choice is sautéed or grilled vegetables, such as sliced onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, or zucchini. These vegetables add a delicious and slightly charred taste to the quesadilla. For those who prefer a heartier filling, various meats can be used. Grilled or shredded chicken, beef, or pork are common choices. These meats can be seasoned with spices and herbs, such as cumin, chili powder, garlic, and oregano, to add an extra layer of flavor. Another traditional filling option is squash blossoms, known as flor de calabaza in Spanish. These delicate and vibrant yellow flowers have a subtle and slightly sweet taste that pairs wonderfully with melted cheese. Spices and seasonings also play an important role in enhancing the flavor of quesadillas. Traditional Mexican seasonings like cumin, chili powder, and paprika can be added to the fillings for a touch of heat and depth of flavor. Once the filling is prepared, the quesadilla is assembled by folding the tortilla in half to encase the ingredients. The quesadilla can then be cooked using various methods. Traditionally, it is cooked on a comal, a flat griddle, over an open flame. However, a regular skillet or pan can also be used. The quesadilla is cooked until the tortilla turns golden brown and crispy, and the cheese inside melts and becomes gooey. Mexican quesadillas are often served with a variety of accompaniments and toppings to further enhance the flavors. Salsa, such as salsa verde or salsa roja, is a common addition. Guacamole, sour cream, and chopped fresh cilantro are also popular toppings that provide a burst of freshness and creaminess. Quesadillas are a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a snack, appetizer, or even a main course. In Mexico, they are commonly sold as street food or found on the menus of casual eateries. Quesadillas can be enjoyed on their own or paired with a side salad or rice and beans for a more substantial meal. In conclusion, Mexican quesadillas are a delightful and satisfying dish that showcases the flavors and culinary traditions of Mexico. Whether you prefer a simple cheese filling or want to experiment with different combinations of meats, vegetables, and cheeses, quesadillas offer endless possibilities. So grab some tortillas, cheese, and your favorite fillings.